Welcome back, guys. Yeah, so the track is still in progress. We've been in lockdown at the moment here in New Zealand. We're just coming into level 2 from tomorrow, so hopefully sometime this week I can get out and go and buy some stuff to cover up all the boxes and get some timber to build a bit of a platform. So upgrades to the track. What was happening was when I was running the cars down from up there, when they were coming round turn 1 using the this type of fat track, the crash racer set, the cars were always flipping out just down here. They were always just going off the track, always one, and they were crashing. And also the track was moving because I'm looking for an alternative to the track connectors. Anyway, what I've done is I've managed to swap out, because I've got also the Hotwheels Daytona Super Stretch fat track as well. So I've used the straights on here. They fit really nice, as you can see, real flush on the crash racer set. It's brilliant. And so they've got real decent joiners on them. You can see there some support underneath. They go all the way down. So I put that on the main stretch as it comes down, and since doing that, no cars have been flying out. And yeah, while I was sleeping last night, I had an idea. So came down this morning and cut a bit of card and tried it, and it seems to have worked. So what I've done is, as you can see, let me just hold the camera here. Oops, sorry. Like that. You can see this is how loose this is on the track racer set when you put these Hot Wheel joiners. Really, really loose. So what I've done is I've jammed a bit of card in there, and it doesn't move anymore at all. So I've done that on 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 sections coming down. So coming down there, and yeah, it seems to be working. The track's it's running really well. I've lowered it down a bit, coming down to the bottom. Before it was up about maybe another 10 centimeters higher than where it was. So the cars were slowing down, and they come about here. They tend to just, some of them used to stop and not roll down, and some would just slowly, gentle rolling. I just want a continuous pace. So I've got a couple of Mario Karts. These cars didn't run well at all on the track. So let's see what happens. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. Let's get it focused. Here we go, down. They come. And brilliant. They go all the way down. So very, very pleased with that. So yeah, so thinking, not 100% sure if I am going to call this the desert road. It's not a road, it's a mountain, so I can't call it desert road anymore. So yeah, I'm just contemplating what to call it. So we'll see. It will have a unique name, something that is some mountains that are found in New Zealand. So yeah, so that's the track for now, the track update. Oh, and here comes Jordan. He's come to race cars. Are you come to race cars, baby?
No.
No? What do you come to do? You come to see what Daddy's doing. Daddy was fixing the track, so now we can go and get your stool and we can race cars. Yeah, that's okay. So you can get some cars. Let's race some cars, son.
Can I do the track downstairs?
Yeah. Sweet.
I'm not ready.
So yeah, guys. So till next time. Jordan's getting the stool ready. Come, bring it closer, baby, so you can put the cars. Press the button. Come, press the button, and let's get it going. Press the red button.
We need the Mario.
There's the 2 Mario Karts. Take Luigi.
4.
And do 4.
To make it fun.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, Daddy will press the red button for you. Here we go. And here we go. Jordan's gonna set up some cars. So 1. That's it, baby. 2. That's right. That's the correct way. 3. Nice one. Oh, let's push it back. And that one, I don't think you can reach it. Daddy will do it for you. Oh, see Daisy. Right. You understand?
Mario.
On your marks.
I'm Mario and
There's a button there, baby.
Mario.
Get set. And go. And there you go.
Oh, Luigi!
Hey.
Luigi
And
takes the wheel.
that's it here at Hot Wheels Boys Central. So till next time, guys, keep on Hot Wheeling, and we'll see you on the track.